Ta-da!
I'm pretty, but I'm loco. The loud got me moving slow-mo.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, yo, Tweety, where the hoes, bro? Hey, yo, Keys, where the hoes, though? That other nigga, he a bozo. This is me, you don't know. We got liquor by.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Princess Gogo back with another video. If this is the first time that you have come across my channel, welcome. And if you guys are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today, I'm very excited because I have a luxury unboxing, as you guys can see. Today, I am going to be unboxing a Chanel luxury bag, and I'm very excited because every girl should love Chanel. Every girl should have Chanel in their collection. If you don't love Chanel, well, Chanel doesn't love you, okay? So the bag that I'm showing you guys today is a high quality replica bag, and it was gifted to me by Aunt Mall Grace. I'm going to leave all of the seller's information down in the description box if you guys are interested. They have every designer bag you can think of, and they're top quality. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to go in the description box and get all that information. Before we get into the video, if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down below. Make sure you guys put the post notification bell on so you guys will never miss a video from me. Give me a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy my content, and follow me on all of my social medias, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, TikTok. Yeah, so we're gonna get right into the video. Ta-da! Guys, this is my first Chanel bag. I'm very happy. Before I open it up, just to give you guys the rundown on how fast it came, it was shipped out on October 13th, and then I was sent my tracking number 2 days after, and I received the bag on October 25th. So I mean, I can't do the math, but I know that's less than 2 weeks, or almost about 2 weeks. And honestly, that's really fast. And the seller, like, is super sweet. Love the communication, customer service. We're here for it. So yeah. And also, this package came with FedEx. I thought it was gonna be DHL, but FedEx. So yeah. When you guys receive the bag, it will be packaged a little more secure than this. It did not just come like this. Obviously came with the whole bubble wrap and all that, but I decided to go ahead and put the Chanel ribbon on it, and it's just so, I think I did a damn good job because this is so cute. Look at it. And as you guys can see, the box came like this. So the box is literally in perfect condition. That means I'm gonna keep the box. I'm a sucker for packaging, so I love when packages come real nice, intact. Okay, enough talking. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. Okay. It took me a while to know how to open this up. I didn't know it was magnetic, like real fancy stuff. So it is like a magnetic box, so you just open it from here. So it does come with the Chanel receipts and all that, you know, fake stuff. But it's just trying to make it look as authentic as possible. So, I mean, we don't care about that, but that's good. And then my bag is in here. So here is the bag in the dust bag, but the dust bag feels really good. And here's the bag. Hello. I got the Chanel Classic Flap in caviar leather in black with gold hardware. And when I tell you, I'm obsessed with this bag. So I don't know the specific measurements, but I do know that this medium size is 25 centimeters. And I will say it's a lot smaller in person than I thought. When I watch unboxings of people doing like the Chanel Classic Flap and all that, it looks bigger in video, but I don't mind it because I really love it. I am in love with this leather. Some people get lambskin. I'm too scared to get lambskin right now because I'm kind of rough with my bag, so we're just gonna save lambskin for another time. And yeah, so I'm just going to give you some close-ups of the bag. It comes with the CC clasp opening or whatever you call it. You just turn it to open it, and when you open it up, it has all these like protective stuff that we're gonna take off. So when you open it, that's the first flap. It does say Chanel on this right here. If you guys can't see, I will put close-ups. And then it does have a zip at the top. Ooh. And then when you, it does have like an opening over here as well. And then when you open this flap, it's the main inside of the bag. And it has 2 pockets. And it has the Chanel logo with the Chanel made in Paris, or no, Chanel made in France, as you guys can see. It also comes with a Chanel authenticity card. I cannot say that. Yeah, a Chanel authenticity card. And, you know, we don't care about that. And it also comes with a Chanel booklet or whatever. Yeah, we don't care about that. So it smells like such fresh leather. Oh my gosh. Oh, also it does have the pocket in the back. It's actually a lot roomy than I thought. I thought it was gonna be super, super tight, but you can throw some like maybe cash in here or something. But yeah, that is the bag. And I'm so happy for it. I see myself wearing this, honestly, day and night. I could see myself wearing this day and night. And the color of the gold on the hardware, I really like, because if you don't know, like, I'm into rose gold over like regular gold, but the gold on this, like, let me show you, like my watch right now that I'm wearing, it's like a really yellow gold versus this. I don't know, it's a little more richer and I kind of like that. So you can wear it obviously double strapped like this. And you guys, if you don't know, I have fat arms, so you can wear it like this on your shoulder. Which, I could see myself wearing it like that, but my whole arm is basically coming in the back. Like, that's how big it is. Whatever, we move, but it's still cute like that. And then, if you want to, you can also wear it the long way. Just the long way. So, the strap is really not that long. Like, the drop is really not that long, but so you couldn't wear this as a crossbody, to be honest. And it does come with like plastic on the CC, but I'm not taking that off right now. Oh, I thought it was just a sticker. Yeah, I'm not gonna take that off right now, but yeah. So that is the unboxing of my Chanel Classic Flap in the size medium in the color black with caviar leather. I'm so happy. I see why people love Chanel. Like, it's such a classic, iconic, timeless bag. Like, I love it. I love it so much. So again, if you guys are looking for high quality replicas, I do recommend Aunt Mall Grace. Seller's information will be in the description box. Everything will be there, so make sure you check it out. I will also link this direct bag from her website in the description box if you guys are interested. Don't forget to use my coupon code PRINCESS for 5% off your purchase. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this. You guys loved my DH haul that I did. I think it was a month ago, and I have another haul coming because I made a few purchases. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!